Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your Uber Eats referral code. So this is really easy and simple. First things first, guys, of course, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Uber Eats app and make sure you're actually signed in. For me, I am signed in right now. So what you're going to do on the home screen, you will see at the bottom right this option that says account with the person icon. Click on that option. And then guys, all you want to do is scroll down, and you'll see this invite friends option. Click on this invite friends option. This is basically your referral code. You can come down here and copy this referral code, and you can, share it on WhatsApp, Instagram. You can click on these options right here. You can share it directly to Instagram, Facebook. And guys, you will get a discount every time someone uses your referral code, and they will also get the same discount. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to the channel. Turn on those bell notifications for frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.